Palaver is a noun and verb that refers to prolonged, idle, or elaborate talk, often with little substance or importance. It can also mean persuasive or flattering talk, typically with the intention of coaxing someone into doing something. Meaning and usage. 1. As a noun, idle or trivial talk, it describes conversations that are unnecessarily long or filled with unnecessary details, often leading nowhere. Example: the meeting dragged on with endless palaver about minor issues, persuasive or smooth talk. It can also refer to conversation aimed at persuading or flattering someone, often to achieve a particular purpose. Example: she wasn't swayed by his palaver, recognizing it as empty flattery. 2. As a verb, to engage in excessive talk. It means to talk at length, especially in a way that is idle or unproductive. Example: they palavered for hours without reaching a conclusion. Etymology. Palaver comes from the Portuguese word palavra, meaning word or speech, which in turn originates from the Latin a parabola, a word or speech. It was adopted into English in the 18th century, initially referring to discussions or negotiations, especially between European traders and African or indigenous groups. Related words: chatter, idle or trivial talk. Gossip, informal or casual conversation, often about other people's private affairs. Banter, light, playful conversation. Synonyms: babble, prattle, blather, nonsense, flattery. In a persuasive context. Antonyms: silence, conciseness, brevity. Straightforwardness. Palaver is often used to describe conversations that seem exaggerated, excessive, or lacking in real purpose. It's a colorful way to express frustration with unnecessary talk or empty flattery, and can be applied in both casual and more formal settings.